There's always that one gadget in your tech drawer that you initially bought with high hopes, only to let it collect dust. For me, that was the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I had the full creator combo, all the bells and whistles, and yet I barely used it for over a year. But everything changed when I started using the right accessories and learned how to truly unlock the potential of this tiny powerhouse. Today, the Osmo Pocket 3 isn't just a cool piece of gear. It's a core part of my content creation setup, and honestly, one of the best investments I've ever made. In this technology review exclusive, I'm diving into the game-changing add-ons, creative hacks, and hidden capabilities that make this camera one of the best tools for creators, whether you're vlogging, traveling, or just want stunning footage in your pocket. From forgotten gadget to daily essential. I'll be honest, when I first unboxed the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, it didn't exactly impress me. I appreciated the compact form and creator combo extras, but something about it just didn't click until I added the right gear and adjusted how I used it. That's when the magic happened. The Osmo Pocket 3 became my everyday vlogging solution, my stealthy travel buddy, and even my go-to webcam. So let's talk about how you can go from meh to must-have with the right setup. Must-have gear. What you actually need from the creator combo. Let's break down the creator combo real quick. It includes a bunch of accessories like a mini tripod, wireless mic, wide-angle lens, battery grip, wrist strap, carrying case, extension rod. It's easy to get overwhelmed by the sheer number of parts. But here's what I actually use regularly and why. 1. Battery handle, the unsung hero. Vlogging eats battery, fast. The battery grip adds significant runtime, turning a short shoot into an all-day adventure. It also improves your grip, which is helpful when you're shooting handheld. 2. Extension rod, not just a selfie stick. At first glance, it seems like a glorified selfie stick, but in reality, it's a mountable Swiss Army tool. Use it to connect accessories like tripods, lights, or mics. The built-in controls also make it easy to film without touching the camera. 3. Wide-angle lens, crucial for travel. This lens is perfect when you're vlogging with a tight background or want to bring more scenery into the shot. Especially helpful if, like me, you have short arms. It's the difference between face cam only and immersive experience. 4. Wireless microphone, silent savior. Probably the most essential accessory. Crisp, clean audio is non-negotiable, and this mic delivers, even in noisy environments. Whether I'm whispering on a red-eye flight, narrating a B-roll voiceover, or walking near heavy traffic, the DJI mic delivers unmatched clarity. Pro tip: you can use the mic independently of the camera to record voiceovers. Plug it into your computer afterward, and you've got crystal clear audio, no additional gear required. The game changer, Ulanzai cage. Once I wrapped my Osmo Pocket 3 in the Ulanzai cage, everything changed. Here's why it's my favorite accessory. Heavy checkmark, wrist strap compatibility. Being able to secure it around your wrist means spontaneous moments are just a click away. No more digging around in bags. The camera's always ready. Heavy checkmark, mic mount. There's a perfect little mount for the mic built right into the cage. It keeps everything streamlined. No more dangling, clunky attachments. Heavy checkmark, rear mounting thread. This is where the fun begins. I use a sticky mount, more on that in a second, but you can also attach the Osmo to tripods, magic arms, car mounts, you name it. The sticky mount and magnetic hack. Remember that sticky mount from the Insta 360 Go 3? Turns out it works perfectly with the Ulanzai cage. Just screw it into the back, and suddenly you can stick your camera on glass walls, mount it to train windows, record from the ceiling of your car. It's lightweight and discreet. For even more versatility, check out magnetic alternatives available on Amazon. Just make sure the surface is clean and flat. I've had mine drop once, so now I always double-check before sticking it on. Upgrade your rig. A $10 stand that beats the tripod. The tripod that comes in the creator combo. It's functional, but bulky and too conspicuous for public use. Instead, I use a compact $10 tabletop stand I found online. It's low profile, easy to pack, and sits perfectly on flat surfaces like cafe tables, airplane trays, or bookshelves. Combined with the battery grip and extension, it gives me ultimate flexibility in framing my shots. Magic Arm by Small Rig for wild angles and solo shoots. Solo creators, rejoice! The Small Rig Magic Arm is the accessory you didn't know you needed. Here's what makes it brilliant. Fully adjustable angles. Clamps anywhere. Car vents, airplane trays, luggage handles. Tiny when folded. Fits in nearly any bag. You'll find yourself using it in ways you never expected. I've got an amazing time lapse from my airplane window just by clamping it on and letting it roll. Osmo Pocket 3 as a webcam. Your Zoom just got a makeover. Plug your Osmo Pocket 3 into your computer and boom, instant high-quality webcam. Whether it's Zoom, Teams, or live streams, this camera blows your laptop cam out of the water. The best part? It maintains face tracking and stabilization, so you're always center frame and crisp, even if you're moving around. Final thoughts. Should you invest in the Osmo Pocket 3? Let me be real, this camera isn't for everyone. But if you're a content creator on the go, aspiring vlogger, minimalist filmmaker, travel junkie, TikTok or Reels creator, then the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, combined with the right accessories, can totally transform how you create content. This camera went from being a forgotten drawer item to a creative Swiss Army knife that I now take everywhere. It's compact, powerful, and with the right hacks, it's unmatched in its category.